What is up, you guys? It's been such a freaking long time since I talked to you guys, but what is up, you guys? It's 2023. Probably like wondering, bitch, why the fuck are you so hyped? No, let me tell you why I'm so hyped. By the way, I just got home, picked up my sister, or actually dropped her ass off work. I am fucking excited, and it's the reason why I've been a little MIA here on my channel, but we're moving. It was a little too much. We're moving. We are getting ready to like get out. I have a bunch of trash here that we're throwing out, and we're also packing up already. So we get the keys on Tuesday and we move in officially Wednesday. 2023, you guys, I feel like it's gonna be just the year of getting better, having, you know, I'm just literally put you guys on a cobija. I feel like 2023 is just, I feel like I just want it to be the year of change. I want change in my life. I want to progress. I want to just, you know, feel better mentally, emotionally. I feel like I've just been on a roller coaster, and I think it's just time for like we move. So we're packing up this place. I've been packing, like the whole kitchen is practically packed minus like the pantry that we use for like food and such. The refrigerator is gonna be sold and it was a bitch to get in here, so it's kind of sad that like now I have to get rid of it. So we're getting rid of the refrigerator, getting rid of a lot of stuff here in my house. But anyway, enough talking about moving because I've been talking about it for so long. I'm tired of fucking packing. Picked up some Starbies because I'm again on my matcha shit. Today I have planned to, I have to go to Bevmo because I'm going to a birthday party today, which is my bestie's cousin's birthday, and I'm gonna take some Malibu margaritas drinks. I don't know what the fuck they're called. I'll show you guys when I get to Bevmo. So I have to go to Bevmo, I have to go to Best Buy because I cannot for shit find the SIM card that goes to my camera, and I don't know what the fuck happened to it. It has all my footage. It has apartment hunting on there. Like I had 2 weeks or 3 weeks worth of vlogs and I cannot freaking find it.
Really, nigga?
And the movers come in on Wednesday morning. My bestie and I planned a trip. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to freaking go. We're going very soon, so I'll show you guys. I'll vlog the entire freaking trip. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my food, enjoy my Starbies, and then I'll show you guys whatever it is that I do later on.
2 hours later.
My Gucci fashion energy drink.
Might as well, Mac.
Oh, they're also So I just freaking took a shower, shaved the pits, shaved the freaking legs. I'm gonna blow dry my hair. 2:57 right now, and I gotta be out the door by 5:30. My towel was like falling off, so I need to like, let me put on a shirt. Hold up. Hopefully you can't see like the bottom. I'm really not wearing any pants, and good thing I don't have that mirror behind me because you guys would be able to see this fat ass that I grew over the weekend. Okay. My neck needed to be freaking popped. It's stiff as fuck from last night that I slept. Like I cannot twist my neck further than this. And on this I'm like, pero por acá. I'm like, by the way, I'm gonna go ahead and use this on my hair. It's so, how my hair looks so sleek, so shiny, like so exquisite. Tom Mitchell super shiny serum. Literally just pump like about 2 to 3 pumps, rub it in my, and then just go like this. I don't really use that much. Another goal that I have for myself is to start going to the gym again, because if you guys remember, I was a gym fucking rat. Every single day I would not miss it. I got a trainer, I got a nutritionist. I used to be on my shit, and then I just freaking stopped. Like as soon as I lost like weight, I was like feeling like better, like I'm not, you know what I mean? Like as soon as you guys see like results, you're like, fuck yeah. I completely stopped and I regret it so damn much. Like I wish that I hadn't done that. So like my hair takes me like 20-25 minutes to like freaking blow dry, like completely, like length. I have it down to my nipple. I don't know if you guys know if I ever mentioned it. So I have my biddies pierced, but they've been pierced for a long time now. I think I'm gonna say like 2.5 years or like 1.5 years or something like that. I think it's 2 years. Oh my god, right now that I was in the shower, I was like, you know, con la pinche lufa, like toda like scrubbing the shit out of myself. Not that I'm fucking dirty like that, but I just kind of like, if it doesn't feel rough, I didn't do it right. You know what I mean? If you know, you know. I was in there like with the pinche lufa like fucking hard, and I didn't see that it freaking grabbed like my biddy and pulled it, like the ring. Bitch, just thinking about it still fucking hurts. It's still throbbing. I'm like, It hurt, it bled, like, oh my god. I even had to put the plastic on, like the pregnancy plastic, like nip rings. I did not go through this fucking pain to not show them off this summer. I am the one, because this shit's gonna take forever.
Five minutes later.
I am freaking stressing because I just did my makeup, by the way, having a freaking new mix because I don't know what the fuck I'm wearing and I don't want to go sober to this thing. So you never had a new mix? You're missing out. By the way, vampiros are the ones that are my favorite, and the palomas, bitch, you're missing out. If you haven't tried it out, go get it.
We don't want go home. Hey, fucking mom.
It is Tuesday. Long story short, on Saturday I went to the party. We went from party at a house and then we went to a place to do karaoke, and then we went back to my bestie's house and I was there until like 4 on Saturday. With that being said, today is Tuesday because yesterday I was busy as fuck. And anyways guys, tomorrow we get the keys to the new place. It is already 7:27 and I gotta fucking go, and my car still has to defrost. Look at this shit. Like, I think I'm gonna stop to get some coffee. I have a Monster in here, but it's not the vibe.
Six and a half hours later.
Cheers. It's like 10 o'clock. I just took a shower. If you guys haven't been watching my videos, you guys wouldn't know that I was actually on the lookout for a house. We had an accepted offer, which was gonna take time because I'm a first-time home buyer. It's a lot when you're dealing with a house, so we're not gonna go through with the house. But so it's a bigger apartment than I originally have here. I can't really be in this apartment anymore. Just so much has happened. My sister's gonna be moving in with me. We are gonna have our separate rooms, separate bathrooms, separate everything. Recently I found out that people have been looking where I live. By people I mean like fucking ex-stalkers. I feel like I'm surrounded by a lot of fucking cheese morsels here. I am excited to move. God has blessed me with a job, with going to school, being financially stable to the point where I can actually move. But that's the reason why it is that I'm looking for a new place to live now. I feel like I am ready to be moving on, start over, start fresh, new beginnings. I feel like I had to come on here and explain to you guys why it is that I'm looking for a different place. I need to get my ass to bed. It's 10 o'clock. I have to get up at 5 tomorrow, go to the gym and all that shit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video thumbs up, subscribe, and all that shit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.
The next day.